Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the impact of these habits on the suicidal behavior. There are some drug abuses and their impact and the habit on the suicidal behavior, leaving the home and living away from home, adjusting to a new social environment, financial difficulties and academic pressure are the causes of the stress among the drug abusers. Stress cause the psychological distress likely commonly uh, effective, and there are these factors may lead to the person toward developing the suicidal thoughts. Next, the mental counseling to the drug abusers can prevent from suicidal thoughts